Why most passive income ideas are overcrowded and overrated. Let's be real. Most passive income ideas don't work for everyone. You've probably heard the usual advice. Start a blog, but ranking on Google takes months or even years. Sell on Amazon, but competition is insane, and fees eat up your profits. Invest in real estate, but not everyone has thousands of dollars to buy property. So, what if you could tap into low-competition, high-reward passive income ideas that are actually working in 2025? That's exactly what we're diving into today. 10 untapped passive income streams that no one talks about. These aren't just theories. People are already making thousands from these methods. And the best part? Most of them require little to no experience. Let's get started. 1. AI-generated ebooks and audiobooks. Sell digital products on autopilot. Books have always been a great passive income stream, but writing a book takes months, if not years, until now. With AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude AI, and Jasper AI, you can create full-length books in hours, not months. How it works. Use AI to generate book content, fiction, self-help, business guides, etc. Format it with tools like �W𝐨𝐧𝐞𝐲𝐌𝐚𝐿 for a professional look. Publish it on Amazon Kindle, Apple Books, or Gumroad. Convert it into an audiobook using AI voices from 11 Labs or Murph AI. 2. Micro SaaS with no coding. Own a software business without being a developer. You don't need to be a programmer to own a software business anymore. With AI-powered tools, you can create micro SaaS, small software businesses, without writing a single line of code. How it works. Use no-code platforms like Bubble, Adalo, or Glide to build an app. Use AI integrations like OpenAI's API to add smart features. Sell your software as a subscription, $10 to $99 per month. Scale by targeting small business owners, solopreneurs, or niche markets. 3. AI-powered stock photo sales. Sell images without a camera. Stock photography is still a huge industry, but instead of taking photos, you can now generate them with AI. How it works. Use AI tools like Midjourney, Stable Diffusion or DALLE to create high-quality images. Upload them to Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Etsy for passive income. 4th. Subscription-based Notion templates. Make money without updates. Notion is one of the fastest-growing productivity tools in the world. People are willing to pay for pre-made Notion templates that save them time. How it works. Design custom Notion templates, budget planners, business dashboards, personal organization tools. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. 5. Automated online course creation. Sell education without teaching. Online courses are one of the biggest passive income streams today, but creating a course used to be a massive effort. Not anymore. AI tools can handle 90% of the work for you. How it works. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate a course script. Use Synthesia or 𝐻𝐻𝐿 AI to create video lessons with AI avatars. Upload it to Teachable, Kajabi, or Udemy. Sell it as a one-time course, $49 to $499, or a subscription. 6. Voice cloning for paid projects. Get paid for AI-generated voices. The demand for high-quality AI-generated voices is skyrocketing. Businesses, YouTubers, audiobook creators, and even game developers need realistic AI voices, and you can profit from this demand. How it works. Use AI voice cloning tools like 11 Labs, Resemble AI, or PlayHT to create ultra-realistic voiceovers. Offer voice services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Voices.com. Create and sell AI-generated audiobooks on Audible and Amazon Kindle. License AI-generated voiceovers to YouTubers, podcasters, and video creators. 7. Selling AI-generated music tracks. Monetize AI-produced beats. AI is revolutionizing the music industry by generating original, royalty-free tracks. You don't need to be a musician, you just need the right AI tools. How it works. Use AI music generators like Boomi, AIVA, or SoundRaw to create original tracks. Upload them to stock music platforms like Audio Jungle, Pond5, or Envato Elements. License AI-generated music for commercial use. YouTube creators, filmmakers, game developers. Sell custom beats or background music for social media videos. 8. AI-powered social media management. Automate content creation for clients. Managing social media accounts is a time-consuming job, but AI tools now make it almost 100% automated. How it works. Use AI content tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, or Copy.ai to generate high-quality captions and post ideas. Use Canva's AI tools to design stunning visuals in minutes. Automate scheduling with tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Publer AI. Offer AI-driven social media management services to small businesses. 9. White label AI tools for businesses. Sell AI services without building anything. Businesses are hungry for AI solutions, but most don't have the resources to develop their own. That's where white label AI tools come in. You resell existing AI technology under your own brand. How it works. Partner with AI platforms that offer white label solutions. Chatbots, AI copywriting, AI analytics. Brand the software as your own and sell it to businesses, agencies, or influencers. Charge a monthly subscription fee, $29 to $299 per month. Scale by targeting small businesses that want AI but don't know how to set it up. 10. High-ticket affiliate AI courses. Promote AI learning and earn big commissions. Online education is booming, and AI-related courses are some of the highest-earning affiliate products right now. How it works. Sign up for high-ticket AI course affiliate programs like Udacity, Coursera, or private AI coaching programs. Create content, blog posts, Twitter threads, LinkedIn articles about AI trends, automation, and AI business models. Include affiliate links and earn commissions ranging from $200 to $1,000 per sale. Your passive income blueprint starts now. Now you've seen 10 untapped passive income ideas that most people are completely overlooking. So, what's your next move? Will you start selling AI-generated books? Build a white label AI business? Or maybe launch AI-powered stock photography? The biggest mistake most people make is waiting too long to take action. Passive income isn't built overnight, but the sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. Comment below which method you're most excited to try. Make sure to like and subscribe to MoneyMatic Masters for more high-value money-making strategies. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. This is MoneyMatic Masters, helping you build wealth the smart way.